How's it going? Today I want to talk to you about this portable welder. So this portable welder is kind of like the shape of a drill, and it has a lot of power to it. So this will come in a carrying case. The carrying case will have the welder, it'll have these rods, it has this face mask that you got to put the little shield in. Very important to have these. They also come with these nice gloves, as well as a wire brush to clean up your material. Whenever you're welding, you want to make sure you have the grounding on the piece that you're welding, and you can see here there's a cut in this pipe. It's not all the way through, but we're going to go ahead and see if we can weld the rest of it shut so that it'll still be usable. I'm going to go ahead and power this on. When it's powered on, you're going to hear a fan blow. The fan is going to be keeping all the components cool, and then this is a ARC 120, so you can dial in what number you need for the current to get the weld done. And I'm going to kind of just test a few out to see, but 70 is going to be kind of like the midpoint, and it goes from 20 to 40, 70 to 100 to 120. You can kind of go with the dial in between any one of those. So we're going to go ahead and get this fired on. You're going to see the fan and hear it going right now. So it is live and ready to go. So you want to make sure you have your mask handy and kind of point and see where you're going to go. And then you're just going to draw back your rod as you weld. Another important thing is to clean up the weld. You want to make sure you get all the burrs off of it. All right, by no means is it the best weld ever, but you definitely can see the power of this tool. It's doing a great job of just laying down the weld. You got to kind of find the right current and then be able to, lay it down in place. Definitely something that can be used on the go. If you're going to be above head, it's nice to have something that's lightweight and portable with the carrying case, with the ability to just plug into power and then get your welds going. This is a tremendous upgrade for versatility as well as convenience of use.